Do you want motivation? Do you lack motivation in doing certain things in your home and your office, like paperwork, accounts, doing certain things? You lack motivation, you don't feel like doing it? Or you need motivation to do certain things which you really want to do but not able to do? My friend, motivation is a state of mind. The important thing is you can motivate yourself anytime you want to do whatever you want to do. So my friend, I am Pradeep Agarwal from Hyderabad Institute of Mind Control Development. I am certified NLP trainer and a hypnotherapist. I am conducting my live training programs all over the world. Now in this technique, you are at the right place. We are going to create a motivation switch, yes, or you can call it a motivation trigger. So whenever you want to feel motivation, need more motivation, you have to just flip the switch or fire the trigger, you will instantly feel confidence. Plus, if you feel motivation, plus you can reprogram your mind for a future event where you lack motivation. You can link that motivation feeling to that event and feel instantly motivated. This is a 7-step process. I will guide you step by step. Make sure when you are watching this video, you are alone and nobody disturbs you, so that you can do the exercise. Now friend, this exercise is so powerful. When you are listening to me and doing the exercise, you will, by the end of this video, you have created a very powerful motivation switch, or we call it trigger. So are you ready? So get ready now. The first, remember one thing. When we talk about motivation, motivation is a state of mind. In the past, you have been motivated for doing number of things in the past which you really like to do. You are really motivated to do, like playing a sports, going to eat something which you really love to eat. If you still your stomach is full, you will go and grab it. Am I right? There is a motivation there. There are certain things like, for example, if you love cricket, the moment you hear about the T20 match going on, you are instantly motivated to go and watch it. Dancing, lot of things, whichever you wanted. So what happened? There is a already motivation state in your mind already stored. How to use it? So what we are going to do is, we are going to use a very powerful NLP technique called anchoring, so that you can create this state of mind and create a trigger for it. So whenever you fire the trigger, whenever you flip the switch, you will instantly feel motivated. So are you ready to do the exercise? I am sure you are ready now. So my friend, if you are sitting alone, nobody there, close your eyes, take a deep breath and just relax. And now think of a time in your past when you felt really motivated to do something. Now pick up something which is really strong motivation. Take your time. Go back to the time now. Once you have that situation in your past, go back to the time, see what you saw, hear what you heard, feel what you felt that time when you were really motivated to do something. Notice what you are talking to yourself, what you are feeling inside your body, how your body was moving, what was focusing on thought. Feel this wonderful feeling now. Already started happening in your body now. Increase this feeling, intensify it, multiply it now, and make this feeling spinning faster and faster, very, very strong. When the feeling is strong, make a trigger in your right hand by pressing your thumb and the first finger in your right hand, and say in your mind, I am motivated. Press the trigger, thumb and the first finger in your right hand, and say in your mind, I am motivated. That's right. Now release your trigger, open your eyes and look around. Look around. My friend, you have just created a trigger for motivation. Now we need to check it whether it is worked for you or not. Now if you have made it in your right hand, take a deep breath and press the thumb and finger again in your right hand and say, I am motivated. At the moment you say this thing, you will find the same feeling is coming back into your body and mind. If it is coming, fantastic, you have created a switch. If it is not very good, that means you have not selected the right situation in your past. So do the exercise. You can stop the video again here, go back and do the same exercise again. Pick up something which is really strong. Or if you really find this feeling coming back, you have already created a switch, trigger. And now how to use it. The first part is find a situation, relive it, and then make a trigger. Now you can use it two ways. Number one, you can program your mind for a future event where you need motivation, or you can use it whenever you need it by just firing this trigger. So how to future pace? This is very, very important technique, my friend. Future pace. What does it mean? Listen carefully. When you program it now and link it to the future event, it will feeling will link. The moment you are there, it will instantly trigger the same motivation feeling. You will instantly feel motivated. So right now, do an exercise with me right now. Close your eyes and think about a future event where you need motivation. Now think about the future time and notice how you feel when you think about the future time. If you feel that you lack motivation, that's right, that is the situation. Now give a number on the scale of 0 to 10. 10 it is a strong motivation, 0 it is a nil motivation. Give a number, whatever number comes in your mind. That's right. And now open your eyes and look around. Now my friend, listen carefully. In a moment we are going to link this wonderful motivation feeling to your future event. So the moment you are there, you will instantly feel motivated. So get ready now. Close your eyes, take a deep breath and think about that future event where you need motivation. Think about it, imagine that you are there, and the moment you are there, press the thumb and finger, the thumb and the first finger together, and say in your mind, I am motivated. And feel this wonderful feeling coming back into your body and mind, linking to the future event. Imagine yourself performing during that event fully motivated. And now see yourself doing a wonderful job, see yourself coming out of the event, you did a wonderful job, fully motivated. That's right. Now open your eyes and look around. Open your eyes and look around. Look around. What is the time now in your watch? Look at your watch. Oh, I'm just trying to break your state. Now with your eyes open, right now think about the future event. And as you think about the future event, you will feel that your motivation is there. You're already motivated to do this. Now give a number on the scale of 0 to 10. 0 it is a nil motivation, 10 you are fully motivated, give a number. So if you done it exercise correctly, it may be between 7, 8 or 10. You can repeat this exercise again with a new, more powerful situation in your past when you felt motivated, and make this trigger more and more strong. Now the last thing to do. Now if you have not linked it to the future event, sometime you need motivation, suddenly you need motivation. All you have to do is, whatever situation you are in, press this thumb and trigger again and say in your mind, I am motivated. Instantly this motivated feeling will come all over your body and mind, and you can perform superbly, you can do the things fully motivated. So my friend, there are simple steps to do it. Watch this video 2-3 times, do this exercise 2-3 times, and link this motivation feeling to future event. So you can future pace, or you can use it whenever you need it. So this is a very simple, powerful technique, my friend, how to create a motivation switch. So do this exercise again one more time, and I'm sure you really liked it. Share with your friend and family member. If you have not yet subscribed to my channel, click on the subscribe button and click on the bell notification button so you get notified every time we upload a new videos. A lot of new videos are coming.